Hey cubing gang, the Speedcuber here. Today I'm gonna show some efficient and rotationless F2L algorithms. Okay, so here is the first case. If you got this case from this angle, many of you might rotate, do the beginner's method, rotate again, insert this pair. But that's a lot of rotations. If the edge is right here, then you can do this algorithm. But if the edge is on the back, you can do this. If you don't wanna do this very long algorithm, you can do this. In this third case, we have this edge misoriented on the back and we have this corner. To avoid a rotation, we can do this. Or if the edge is on the right side and the corner is right here, we can do F, attach this pair, insert F prime. Next case, if you don't wanna do L moves to solve this pair or you don't wanna rotate and solve this using R and U moves, then you can do this. Doing this algorithm is fine, but if you want to save moves, then you can do this. But if the corner is right here on the back, you can do this. These last 4 cases I think are the most important cases that every CFOP solver should know. And by the way, I learned the algs from Jaden McNeil's FRUF prime videos. Here we got the case that I showed before, but we will do rotationless algorithm on this angle. So we will do F, then M prime, U, R, U prime, Y, R prime, then F prime. Now in this case, instead of using LU moves to solve this pair, we can do F, R, U, F prime. So we will do F, then solve this pair like this, connect them like that. Here are the final 2 cases. Again, these 2 cases uses F, R, U, F prime. If you got this case, you will do F, then solve this pair like that, F prime. Now if you had this case, you can do F, then solve the pair like this, attach the pair like this, and that. So those are the efficient and rotationless F2L algorithms that every CFOP solver should know. Let me know in the comments what algorithms is also worth it to memorize. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to join the cubing gang by subscribing to my channel. This is the Speedcuber. See you all next time. Keep safe, guys.